Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to set calorie cycling in MyFitnessPal. So that's actually so simple to be done, and as an information guys, you can get this app actually from the Play Store or the App Store, or even from the Xiaomi Store and Huawei Store, etc. And yeah, this app is available in all the stores and even on the website. So let's dive in. Just by tapping on the app, it will be launched. And yeah, and after it's launched, I just want you to go into the more right here. Sorry. Yeah, more in the bottom right or the lower right corner. So once you tap on more right here, I want you to go or to look for the goals. Okay, so once you tap on goals, the goals that you already set will be visible to you right here in the beginning or in the top of the goals. And right here you can add a new goal, or yeah, or to set something like to set the calories or the carbs or the protein. And you can show carbs, protein, etc. So right here I'm talking about the nutrition goals section. So I want you to go into the calories, carbs, protein, and fats goals, the first option on the nutrition goals section. So once you tap on it, you will be able to change or to set the calories cycling. So just tap on calories, and right here I want to set the goal of the calories cycling of your day. So let's consider that I want 3000 calories a day, and then I will just click or tap on save. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.